got my t-shirt there.
That fucking Sarah, she looks fucking same. But her sister's changed, man.
Try and do a mukbang, but it's much so.
She looks like a lesbian.
Kinda like, it's been a while since I've filmed, so. Right, you guys have a bite. It's so good. Sauce all over my fingers. So good. Spicy, but it's good. I have to get these angles right. Yeah. This is so good. Oh, look at that. I'll let y'all have that bite. I'm trying to film a mukbang for y'all, but it's a little bit noisy tonight, so. When does shit ever go as planned? Especially with me, never. Absolutely never. This is a chicken curry, by the way. It's so good. Just look at that. I've had this 2 days in a row. It's bomb. What is this shit? I can't even get the camera angle. I keep trying to show you what it looks like, but it's been a while. This is my natural hair, by the way. It's in a ponytail. Rarely show my natural hair. This was supposed to be a quiet mukbang, just an eating science mukbang, but it's not gone that way, has it? Yeah, look at that. All that chicken. Bomb. Wow, it's spicy, yeah. But I love it spicy. Some of my family was trying before, and it was like, hell no, this shit way too spicy. I'm like, you fucking pussy. That is better. This is so fucking good. Oh, that, yeah. That. Beautiful. Beautiful. If you don't like super spicy food, this is definitely not for you, but I love it. I absolutely love it. Just look at that. Getting down to the last little bit now. This is so good, I don't want it to. If you're wondering why I'm using toast instead of like crackers or naan bread, mind your business. Excuse me. Ooh, yeah. The crust is the best bit. The last bite.